Welcome to my channel and join me on this platform. As an individual who wants to achieve his or her goal in life, there are some major things that you need to keep to yourself. Sharing it out might affect your life and stop you from excelling or achieving your goal. In so doing, I'll say to you, keep your secret to yourself. I repeat, keep your secrets to yourself. Now, one may ask, what is a secret? A secret is something that is kept or meant to be kept, that is not seen or heard by others. And amongst the many things that are to be kept as a secret, I will highlight just one, which is the major one, your vision. Now, your vision is the source of your strength. It is imperative to understand that your vision is your life, and everyone on this planet has a vision to execute. One may ask, what is a vision? Let's dive deep. It is a clear and compelling idea of what an individual wants to achieve in the future. Your vision serves as a guiding star, providing directions and inspirations. In a special context, a vision can relate to your life goals and aspirations, and you are to keep your vision to yourself. One may ask, what is the reason that I'm to keep my vision to myself? Simple, to prevent failure and unnecessary drama. Many people discuss their vision with people whom they have no business relating to. Some of those very people stole the idea and carry it out. Of course, you will not implement the vision like the barrier because you don't know the vision in totality, but you will steal something to be able to act upon. While others with huge ideas were discouraged because they told the vision to the wrong set of people who never had any idea of how important or huge their vision was. And as the result, that vision was buried. Keep your vision a secret. Keeping your vision or plans a secret to yourself can be seen as a form of wisdom and prudence. Now, when you share too much about your intentions or personal matters, it may expose you to unnecessary distractions, skepticism, or even interference with others. Now, here are a few reasons why keeping your plans or vision a secret can be beneficial. Number one, privacy and control. When you don't share your plans or secret, you maintain control over personal information, ensuring that your ideas and goals remain private until you decide to reveal it. In Proverbs chapter 21 verse 5 NIV version, it says, "The plans of the diligent leads to profits, as haste leads to poverty." This verse emphasizes the importance of being diligent and purposeful in your planning, suggesting that maintaining control over your plan can lead to beneficial outcomes. Number two, reduce pressure. When people know your plan, they might expect you to follow through, which can create pressure, but keeping your plans private can alleviate the stress. Number three, prevention of negative feedback. Sharing ideas can sometimes result in negative criticism or skepticism from others, which can undermine your confidence. But keeping your thoughts to yourself can protect your motivation. In Proverbs chapter 29 verse 11 NIV version, it says, "Fools give full vent to their rage, but the wise bring calm in the end." Now, while this does not directly address plans, it speaks to the wisdom of not sharing your thoughts with everyone, which can help avoid unnecessary negative feedback and conflict. Number four, improved focus. When you are not talking about your plans, you can focus more on the motivation than the discussion. And this can lead to a greater productivity and a better outcome. Now, here are the implications of talking too much your plans. Number one, diminish enthusiasm. When you share your plans widely, talking about them can give you a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction without actually taking action. This phenomenon, sometimes called social satisfaction, can reduce your drive to achieve your goals. Also, number two of talking too much, miscommunication. Explaining your plans frequently can lead to misinterpretation and misunderstanding. Others may offer unsolicited advice or make assumptions. Number 3, potential for sabotage. Sharing sensitive plans and secret can lead to them being inadvertently sabotaged by others, whether through jealousy, competition, or misunderstanding. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23, it says, above all else, guide your heart, for everything you do flows from it. This verse states the importance of being protective of your inner thoughts and intentions. And number 4, the loss of strategic advantage. In competitive environment like business, revealing too much can give others insight about your strategy, allowing them to undermine your position or counter your actions more effectively. In Ecclesiastes chapter 5 verse 3, it says, a dream comes when there are many cares, and many words marks the speech of a fool. This verse cautions against excessive talking without action. Now, in conclusion, while sharing your thoughts with trusted friends or advisors can lead to constructive feedback and support, it is crucial to be selective about what you share and with whom. Striking the balance between confidence in others and preserving the sanity of your personal plans can often lead to a more successful outcome and more fulfilling journey towards your goal. Your plan is very delicate. Your vision is very important. Keep it a secret, unlike those whom you trust. Otherwise, keep your secret to yourself. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that now. Like this video and share this video with all of your friends and family. Also, click on the notification bell that you might be notified whenever there is an upload. Thank you for joining. God bless you. Shalom. Peace be unto you.